Hello everyone and welcome to a video that I am so super duper happy to be filming for you all and just excited. You guys know I have been working with iRestore this past year using their hair care system, their low-level light therapy system, because I have done at least a few videos sponsored from them and, you know, showing you my results and everything, which I think I have certainly gotten in my hair, and I am so happy that so many of you always tell me that you have seen results and, you know, especially lately, you've really been seeing results in my hair and that you think it looks good, and I'm just like, yeah, say it again. You know, when you have grown up not getting compliments on something, like hardly ever, to all of a sudden getting told that things are looking good, it's if you know, you know, it feels real nice. And now, iRestore, they have come out with a new system. It is in the same vein as the classic iRestore, but this is the iRestore Professional. Mainly, it's got all the same benefits and everything as the original iRestore. They call it the iRestore Essential, and this is the iRestore Professional. They're both FDA cleared technology using low-level light therapy that is clinically proven to help stimulate the growth of hair, be it in men, women, young, old, etc. If you have thinning hair, iRestore can help you. Both of them also do have like ventilation in the cap. That is, you know, what this system mainly comprises of, the therapy, the light therapy anyways, that comprises in this system. So there is ventilation so things don't get all steamy and hot and sweaty or anything. You don't have to worry about that. It is very comfortable. They're both super duper lightweight. It also has built-in safety sensors so that, you know, if you have it, basically if you don't have it on your head, it won't turn on. You have to have it on your head. So like, you know, you're not gonna stare into the lights, you're not gonna damage anything else anywhere else. It's just going on your head. They also, fun fact that I didn't know until just now, but apparently the foam that they have on the sides of the cap, you know, they're super duper comfy and squishy and nice. Apparently they are the only ones with that medical grade type of thing in their product. And also they're the only ones with an automatic timer display on the remote control. So that's really freaking cool because those are two things about the iRestore system that I really do like. So, I'm so excited to open this up with you guys! Now, like I said, the biggest differences between this Pro and the Essential are going to be the amount of lasers that are in here, and also weight is different. This is actually even lighter than the original. Both of them, it is a 25-minute every 2 days, so you use it 3 to 4 times a week, depending on which week in your schedule you're doing it. It's super easy, hands-free, but this new Pro system has 282 medical grade lasers in it compared to the original, which only had 51. Now that original still works, but I mean, more lasers, more better. Oh my god. Okay, so this actually does look, there are differences here. Oh my god, I like have tears in my eyes. I'm so excited. I mean, it's one of those things where I have seen results with the iRestore system, so to think that they did improve it and I'm gonna be getting even better results, just that thought alone is so exciting to me. But yeah, the original just had top scalp coverage in terms of the laser therapy, but this has full back, side, top, all of the above lasers. So I just went ahead and I grabbed my original iRestore system so that you can see the differences. Here is the original, and even just picking this up now, compared to this, there's not a huge weight difference, but I can tell this did feel heavier. Also, you can just see that it's just a little different looking, the way that this like secures onto your head. I don't know how else you would say it, but the squishies are the same. Like I said, they're super comfortable and nice to have. And then you can just see that the lasers on this one are focused on the top of the scalp. And also, you know, there's only so many of them, but then this one, look at the difference. Like, that's pretty insane, right? Like, this one just looks so super high tech. I mean, I thought this looked space age in the future, but this just looks indescribably cool. It's also got the red of the iRestore on there, and there's not like, you know, all these extra doohickeys. It's just a straight up piece of solid device here. Ooh, Ooh, and the remote is like super duper slim and compact this time around. I mean, it's not that it was super bulky before, but this is way thinner and slimmer. Let's see, I am assuming this is gonna have, yes, the plug-in. This comes with the iRestore device. They did also send me the rechargeable battery pack so that if you want to be, you know, cord-free, I was gonna say hands-free, they're all hands-free, but cord-free, you can get up and walk around your place while you're using the iRestore system, so I'm super excited. That is sold separately, but I personally would highly recommend it. It is not needed, but it does make it a lot more convenient, even more convenient than the system already is, because they do give you, for the iRestore system, the plug-in that you would normally have it plugged into the wall. The cord that they give you is super duper long, so that is so nice. Like, I am so appreciative of all this cord length, so you don't have to be right next to the socket. And then you just take this, then you plug it in. Oh, that is just so exciting to me. The last one, this has the battery pack on it, but the previous, or the original iRestore, here you have the remote before, and here you have the remote now. I mean, that's a huge upgrade, I think. And to use, this shouldn't turn on, and it doesn't. Yep, see? It won't turn on if it's not on your head. But then once it is on your head, whew, she feels super secure and comfy. Now let's see. Oh my gosh, you guys. Now you can't see the lasers like you can in the other one while this is going, but you can see them beeping, right? The red lasers. So this is going, and today is a day that I needed to do my iRestore therapy. So, oh, I am so excited. Oh! Okay, and the display here is a little different. That's kind of cool. You can see the numbers going in and on and out on the display here. Let's see, I'm assuming at some point, like after a minute, it'll turn into a 24. Time will tell. It did! Look at that! So that's how the countdown works on this one. So I'll be back in 24 minutes here. I'm going to complete my hair therapy today, for today. Yeah, blah, blah, blah. I'll see you in a little under 24 minutes, aka in just a second here on YouTube land. Ready? Ding. All right, friends. Whew, you do get a bit of hat hair from wearing the system, but other than that, things look good. I feel good. Feels like I just did an iRestore treatment, because I did. So I will be giving you all a bit of an update here in just a second. Months will have gone by, I think anyways. And yeah, like I said, I will see you all in just a moment here to further talk about this product and also share some very exciting news with you guys. So stay tuned! Alright, hello everyone, welcome to many months later here. I think 3 or 4 months later? It's been a while. It certainly has. I mean, it's been since I used to film in front of my bed, and now I film here for you all, so time has passed. I've been using the iRestore Pro now, and I have also been using just iRestore and their products for a year now, officially. Woo! You guys, I'm so happy. I love this new iRestore Pro. It works so well. I love it. I feel like I'm noticing results quicker than I did before. Either way, I mean, the iRestore, the original, and the Pro version, they're both great. I just am really enjoying the updates that come with the Pro, the added lasers, the new timer device, the lightweightness of it. Like, it just overall is wonderful. I also don't think I mentioned in the beginning, they also came out with a conditioner now to go with their shampoo, which I've been using their shampoo the whole time, and I've been using their conditioner now. I think I've been through 2 bottles of it now. Love the conditioner, you guys. I mean, I loved the shampoo and I still love the shampoo. It's got a nice, like, unisex, invigorating, energizing kind of a scent to it. The conditioner though, it smells delicious. Like, it's the kind of product that you want to eat because it smells so good. It smells like gummy, fruity candies, just so juicy, so good. Don't eat it though. That's not what it's for. It's meant for your hair and it's meant to go with the shampoo. So the shampoo more so revitalizes your hair follicles, and then the conditioner helps to moisturize your scalp and then also just moisturize and make your hair healthier. They're made with natural ingredients. They've got stuff like keratin in it, biotin, castor oil, amino acids, antioxidants, and lots more. And basically all of that combined helps to not only combat thinning hair, but also just to get rid of flakiness, dryness on the scalp, improve your scalp health and your hair health in general, all of that good stuff. So I would highly recommend the shampoo and conditioner. I just love that their products also have money-back guarantees on them. They're different from product to product, but at least on the iRestore Pro system, it used to have a 6-month money-back guarantee, but now it is a 12-month. So you have a whole year to see results, get results, and decide whether or not it's worth it to you. I can't imagine anyone would say it wouldn't be worth the money. Like, I have just been so happy with the way that my hair has been looking. You guys are giving me compliments up the wazoo on my videos lately and just wanting an update on this, and it's just so nice. I think I said this in the beginning of the video too when I had first filmed. It's so nice going from something that you never used to get compliments on to now people are complimenting it and just like saying my hair looks so much more voluminous and thicker and whatever else, and it's just like, thank you, I'm trying. And I'm so grateful. I can guarantee it is all from iRestore using their products. I love them. You guys, I think, know that by now, but you can see the proof is in the pudding, and by the pudding, I mean my hair. Also, something very, very exciting that iRestore is doing, they are doing a monthly giveaway of this new iRestore Pro system to celebrate the launch. Oh my gosh, you guys. Someone every month wins an iRestore Pro for free. Like, what? That's amazing! And I'm so excited for all of you that enter. If you want to enter, I will have info down below, their website and whatnot, but it's easy. There are a bunch of different entry options that you can do to get more of a chance of winning. I just think that is amazing for a company to do that, especially on such like a high-tech thing like this. So thank you, iRestore, not only for providing that giveaway, but also for having provided me with the system. I am so happy with my results, and also to keep on using it and hopefully get even more results in the future with continued use. So I think I've said it a million times. Thank you, iRestore. Thank you all for watching. Let me know in the comments down below. Do you see the results too, like me and many of my other viewers? How has your hair journey been if you also have thinning hair? I know it is hard, no matter your gender, no matter your age. It's not a fun process, but at least now, in this new day and age, we have the technology, we have the products that can help us to try and combat the whole process. Also, just let me know in general how you enjoyed this video. You can also do that by giving me a thumbs up down below. I would really appreciate it. And if you are new here, hey, hi, hello, how are you? You can go ahead and subscribe. You can tippity tap that notification bell down below. You can become a member of my casserole family here on my channel. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well. And until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!